So you've always wanted a motorized slider, but you just can't afford it. I'm going to show you how you can get movements like this and many more for just under £50. Welcome back to Film It Friday. So this is the Andoer or Andoer L4. It's a motorized camera dolly that costs £47 on Amazon. Before I start talking about this, I just want to say if you entered the Solarcan competition, I will be drawing that at the end of this video, so please stick around to see if you've won one. So this dolly allows you to get really great dynamic shots with your camera for less than £50. Like I had it in the intro, you can mount it on a slider or you can have it on a smooth surface like a desk, and you can angle these arms in so that it can actually rotate around objects as well. This variant is made by Andoer or Andoer, and there are lots of other companies making the same thing and they just stick their logos over the front, but this is the one that I've got. So it's a battery powered dolly. You can't control it with your phone like you can with other dolly systems. It's got 3 speed options. You've got low, medium and high, and it can carry up to a weight of 1 kilogram. In the opening shot, I had my A6300 mounted on it with the 18-105 f4 Sony lens and also a Manfrotto monopod head, and it works really well. It was a little bit slow, and obviously the lower the weight that you've got on it, the faster it is going to move. The battery life will last up to 6 hours depending on the load that you put on it. So if you had an iPhone mounted to it, you're probably going to get 6 hours. If you had my FS5 mounted to it, you're probably going to get 6 minutes. It's got an inbuilt battery which you charge via micro USB. You've got 3 levels of speed control: low, medium and high, and to be honest, even the slowest one feels a little bit quick to me if you want to get really fine detailed shots. But the nice thing about this is that if you angle these legs in, you could have it going round an object or round a product that you're filming. And the best thing about it is that the moves that you're making are completely repeatable. So if you haven't quite nailed that focus, you can reverse it and you can do it again. With the older versions of this dolly, you weren't able to reverse it. You had to take the battery out and spin it around. With this version, there is a button on the wireless remote control which allows you to just change the direction. So I can have this dolly move to the left, a click of a button, press that button again, and it's going to move to the right. You can actually change the speed on this remote as well, and you can stop the unit from moving altogether. On the bottom of the dolly, you've got these orange rubber wheels which allow you to put it on pretty much any slider and turn your generic boring slider into a motorized slider, and it will run along those rails really nice and smoothly. So the best tip that I can give you when you're using one of these dollies is that you shoot 4K. If you shoot 4K, you can also crop in, you can zoom in, you can pan left and right whilst this is moving, and it gives you an amazing dynamic effect. Take a look at some of the shots I've already done and you can see what I mean. Leica, you're so helpful when I'm making these videos, aren't you? Yeah, she always wants to just sit on your lap. You gonna get down? Alright, good. So I really hope you enjoyed that little video. If you did and you want to pick one of these up for yourself, there is a link in the description as to where you can buy it. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe so you never miss another episode. We're just going to jump on the computer and do the draw for the Solarcan competition. Come on then. Okay, so this is just the draw for the Solarcan competition that I put online a month ago. I can't believe it's been a month already. My Solarcan's still up, it's still in the same place, so I'm going to be taking that down shortly and we're going to see what the results are. So basically, we had 22 entries, so we're just going to put number 22 on there. And I've assigned everybody a number on this Word document, so if you see your number come up, then you're a winner. Thank you to everybody who subscribed as well. I really appreciate your support. So we're going to go ahead and generate our first number, and I'll tell you what you need to do if you win at the end of the video. So the first number is number 5. So that is James Lucas. Our second winner is number 5. We're going to redraw that. We can't send 2 to the same person, unfortunately. Is number 2. So Graham Simpson. Whoops. Number 3 is number 11, which is James Horwood. And number 4 is number 18, Termon. Okay guys, so all you need to do is email me at info@chriswatkinsmedia.co.uk with the subject a solar can, and I just need your full name and address, and we'll get those solar cans shipped out to you. Thanks for watching, thanks for the support, and keep an eye out for future competitions. See you again next week.